Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Google Authenticator to Bybit. So if you want to keep your Bybit account more secure using Google Authenticator, this is how you can go about it. Now you only need two applications on your device, which is the Google Authenticator and Bybit. You can also access this while using web. You can easily get the mobile app when you search for Bybit and download the Bybit application on your mobile and search for Google Authenticator and install the application. Once they are both installed and you are signing into your account on both applications, you want to go ahead and open Bybit. Tap on your profile at the top left corner of your screen, and here you see the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap here. Under your account info, tap on security and you see Google Authentication. Toggle on Google Authentication and a verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the code which has been sent and tap on continue. Now you get a unique key for your account. Tap on copy key and the key will be copied to your clipboard. Now open Google Authenticator and at the bottom right you want to tap on the plus icon. Tap on enter a setup key. You can title it however you want for recognition and then paste the key in your key section. You can also select if you want it to be time based or counter based. Once you've entered all the details, tap on add and your authentication code will be saved. Now go back to Bybit and tap on next. You'd have to enter a code you've received. You'll be able to enter the code from your authenticator to get access. Enter the code and your Google authentication will be set up as successful. Now if you've not yet signed up on Bybit, you can sign up on Bybit using the link in the description, which allows you to receive exclusive referral rewards of up to about 60,045 USDT welcome gift. So thank you for watching this video on how to link Google Authentication to Bybit, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.